everybody, I'm in Perry Township right now, and I came across an abandoned Goodyear, so let's go check this out. Well, by the looks of it, it's just recently moved. It's not really out of business, per se. Not sure if we can see anything inside or not. Yeah, by the looks of it, they've pretty much stripped everything out of it. I know there's a lot of glare here, so I apologize for that. Try to get some better shots. It looks like they tried to white out these windows a little bit. Either that or they're just incredibly dirty. Take a look through each one of these garage doors, see if we find anything that's interesting. It looks like they've pretty much moved every last bit of equipment that they had out of here. Don't really even see anything that resembles a Goodyear in there other than just the colors on the wall. Yeah, this one's definitely got white out on it. There's no way looking inside this one. That's about as good as you'll see in the second to last door. Yeah, all the hydraulic jacks and everything are completely uninstalled and moved. Get one last look at the front here before I move along. Overall, it looks like it's still in pretty decent shape. Just needs maybe a little bit of TLC on the outside, fresh paint job. There's nothing really else back here either. Guess this is just where they had extra equipment storage. I don't think they really parked cars back here. At least not that I know of. Well, everybody, that was my quick look at the closed/abandoned Goodyear here in Perry Township. I'm testing out some new equipment with this camera that I've got now. got a new microphone on it, so let me know if the audio quality is any better or worse. Hopefully you're not hearing any of the wind noise that you'd normally hear in one of my videos, because it is a little bit breezy, so it'll be interesting to find out how this turns out. But I thank you all so much for watching. All the links to my social media is in the description below. Keep it real, and I will see you in the next video.